When I was younger, I had a football injury. Kept ignoring it. Pain kept getting worse. It got to the point where I was in so much pain that I could hardly sit on the couch without literally crying. I ended up at Summa Health and met Dr. Pefferly. He recommended total knee replacement on my right knee. The staff at Summa Barberton, where I had my surgery, was unbelievable. I can't say enough about them. They're 5-star. The kind of person Dr. Pefferly is, you would consider him one of your family. I mean, there are doctors you like. I love Dr. Pefferly. As far as the pain goes, I had a nerve block, a pain ball, and eventually it's going to be a narcotic-free surgery. 10 months after my surgery, I can ride my bike, I can play basketball, I walk my dog, I walk 10,000 plus steps a day. I mean, it's unbelievable.